Hello grade 6. Today's math lesson is titled Volume, and we will be working on pages 166 and 167 in your Jump Math book. Our learning target for today is I can estimate, calculate, and record the volume of rectangular prisms. Before we begin, let's review what is volume. In our geometry unit, we have looked at perimeter, area, and volume. Remember, perimeter is a one-dimensional quantity. It measures the outline or the length around a shape. Let's pretend that this rectangle was measured in meters. The units for perimeter would be meters. Area measures a two-dimensional shape. So the area that this rectangle covers, and it is found by multiplying the length times the width. It is a two-dimensional quantity. The units would be meters squared. So the 2 is a small exponent after the lowercase m. When we consider volume, we consider a three-dimensional shape. Length times width times height. So this could possibly be a gift box that you're receiving or a swimming pool. If it was a swimming pool, the volume would measure the amount of water that it could hold. Volume is a 3D quantity, and the units, again, if measured in meters, would be meters cubed. A 3 as an exponent is pronounced cubed. All right, moving on. Today we are going to start on page 166 in your Jump Math book. Let's try 1A together. Simply says, count the number of cubes to find the volume of the object. This one has 1, 2, 3 cubes. The volume is 3 cubes. Try B and C on your own. Question 2. In this example, we do need to pay attention to the units. So you can see cm stands for centimeters. Volume is measured in cubic centimeters. Meters is cubic meters, and you'll notice the exponent 3. And millimeters cubed is said cubic millimeter, or millimeters cubed. Question 2 says, find the volume of the object made from unit cubes. Include units in your answer. Let's try 2A together. It says, find the volume of the object made from unit cubes. Include units in your answer. You will notice that part A is using meters. Remember, lowercase m stands for meters. There are 5 cubic meters, or 5 meters cubed. Please try B, C, D, E, and F on your own. Oh, and there is also G and H. And if you're up for a challenge, please try the bonus question. Number 3. Remember, mathematicians call rectangular boxes rectangular prisms. For a rectangular prism, volume equals length times width times height. Or for short, V for volume equals L times W times H. 3A has been done for you. You can see the length is 3 meters. The width is 2 meters and the height is 5. We simply multiply all 3 numbers together. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. And don't forget your units, meters cubed. Question B, the units are centimeters. So here's a hint. Your units will be centimeters cubed. Try the rest on your own. Then proceed to C, D, E, and F. Remember, 2 lowercase m's stand for millimeters, so the unit for volume will be millimeters cubed. Moving on to page 167. Find the volume of the rectangular prism. This one is a little bit more difficult to visualize because there is no picture, but you do have all the information you need. Remember, volume is equal to length times width times height. So, for part A, the length is 25 times the width is 4 times the height is 6. 25 times 4, that's like having 4 quarters. You would have 100 cents. 100 times 6 equals 600. And let's not forget the units, meters cubed. Go ahead and try one more. So you can cross out 2 of these, but I will let you choose if you would like to try B, C, or D. Please choose one. Then you can go ahead and cross out question 5 as well as question 6. And that's all for today. Have a good one.